This is the VOA Special English Health Report. The human digestive system is full of bacteria, mostly good bacteria. The organism helps break down food so the body can use the nutrients. Scientists are exploring the link between what kinds of bacteria live in our gut and what kinds of food we eat. Garigo from the University of Pennsylvania and other scientists did two studies. The studies looked for connection between the food that people eat and the kinds of microbes living in their intestine. Mr. Wu says, we found essentially that there are two major categories in which individuals could be classified by the bacteria in their guts. One associated with sort of Western-type diets and another one associated with a more agrarian or fruit vegetable type of diet. In the second study, 10 volunteers took part in a so-called controlled feeding experiment. They had to change their normal diet, yet their digestive bacteria remained much the same. They suggest that the makeup bacteria is based on a long-term dietary pattern, not what people ate in recent days. Garigo thinks testing mix of essential bacteria might be a better way to measure their disease than asking about their diet. He said essential bacteria may even play a part in the development of disease. If so, they could lead scientists to new ways to help prevent disease by changing the types of bacteria in a person's gut. That's a little more speculative, he said, but that's something that is certainly very much of interest in the field. The two studies are in the journal Science. The research may add to understanding of how diet affects health. Another recent study involving diet warned that obesity is increasing worldwide, but especially in the United States and Britain. The finding appeared in the Lancet Medical Journal. Worldwide, experts say 1.5 billion adults are overweight, another 500 million are obese. At current rate, about half of all American adults could be obese by 2030. In Britain, obesity rate could reach 48% for men and 43% for women. Experts say the rise in obesity is likely to lead to an increase in cases of diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and other conditions. Obesity is also on the rise among children. For VOA Special English, I'm Alex Binadio.